I'm Darlene Gayler, Vice President at Gayler Design Build, and I'm here today to show you a do-it-yourself simple fix for unsticking your windows and patio doors. So first, what you want to do is always have the equipment or tools you need to do your repair, and this is very simple. You need a wet paper towel and you need some pledge. So let me walk you through the steps. So first, what you want to do is you want to take a wet paper towel and wipe it in the track, because oftentimes it's dirt and dust that is collected in there. Ooh, this window really is sticking here. Okay, and then you wipe the other side too, because you want to get it all the way where the window goes back and forth. Then very simply, you just spray your pledge right into the track and then slide it over. All right, let's get this window going, and then you want to spray it on this side too. And then you just take your window and you slide it back and forth. And you can see already the window's sliding much easier. It works really well. So if you have sticking windows and patio doors, give this a try. If it doesn't work, feel free to contact us for further information, and we'll either be able to give you a few more tips or we'll refer you to the appropriate resource. So thank you so much for watching this simple fix video. And if there's any other repairs you'd like to see from us, please feel free to email us at office@gaylerdesignbuild.com. Tell your family and friends about Gayler Design Build's YouTube channel too. We'd love to help you out. Thank you.